Make this the summer of Jeep with the most awarded SUV brand.
Shop and buy online with Jeep eShop. And now during the Jeep Make This the Summer event, well-qualified returning lessees can lease select 2022 Grand Cherokee L models for $400 a month.
At LL Flooring, your new floors are closer than you think. With over 500 floors that are in style, in stock, and within budget, our flooring experts are ready to help every step of the way. Whether you need waterproof flooring or real hardwood, we're here to help get your project done and done right. And with our best price guarantee, our floors are more affordable than you think. From inspiration to installation, get the floors you'll love at LL Flooring.
Find your right floor right now and get 10% off all styles.
Joining us Friday, comedian Nikki Glazer talks about her new HBO comedy special. Friday at 9 a.m. on the KTLA5 Morning News.
Now at noon, the indoor mask mandate could soon return, with LA County on the verge of reaching high COVID transmission level. Thank you for joining us for the KTLA 5 News at Noon. I'm Glenn Walker.
And I'm Lou Parker. It is believed the county could hit this elevated status today.
Health officials say indoor masks would return later this month. KTLA 5's Corrine Winter live now in Larchmont with the details and reaction. Corrine.
Glenn, we've been speaking to people all afternoon. Mixed reaction over the possible return of indoor mask requirements in LA County. Here's more from Public Health Director Dr. Barbara Ferrer on possibly reaching that threshold soon.
Once LA County reaches 10 new admissions per 100,000 residents, the county will enter the high community level designation by CDC. Should we remain in high community level designation for 2 consecutive weeks, the universal indoor masking in alignment with CDC would be implemented across the county.
Officials have been closely monitoring the 7-day total of new COVID hospital admissions. And as of Tuesday, the county was at 8.8 new admissions per 100,000. That's a 70% jump from about a month ago. Some people, they're adamant they don't want the return of any COVID restrictions. They say, even though infection rates are on the rise, the state and the county has made so much progress in the COVID fight that they believe the public should decide whether they feel comfortable covering up indoors or not. And doctors around the region, they've seen a sharp increase in cases. Just yesterday, LA County reported 6,530 new cases and 15 new deaths. But some physicians believe the number of infections could be much higher, with cases being underreported, especially with at-home testing. We spoke with the owner of a gym. He said he's not ready for the possible return of any restrictions. You're not too thrilled about the possible return of restrictions?
No, not at all. Not at all. I think it kind of hurts the gym space, the health space, people's mental health, because you're stuck, you're concluded in such a small environment, and it doesn't give you the opportunity to get out and move. Your body was made to move, so you need to exercise, you need to be healthy in order to combat any kind of sickness or things that would try to attack your body.
A lot of people are talking about taking a step backwards, and they're kind of seeing it as that. From my opinion, taking one step back in order to take 3 or 4 steps forward is a win, and it shouldn't be looked at as a negative thing. It's meant to calm down the wild spread when there's a spike, and to keep that under control so we can keep moving forward and battling this thing and finally winning.
And as for those numbers nationally, while hospitalization rates have nearly doubled just within the last 2 months when it comes to COVID infections. That's the very latest here in Larchmont. Corrine Winter, KTLA 5 News.
Corrine, thank you. Officials at the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services are now warning the vaccine supply for monkeypox is starting to fall short of demand. Data in the U.S. shows the number of monkeypox vaccines doses distributed nationwide have tripled in the past week. But experts say this still is not enough if we want to control the outbreak. Over 1,000 people have been diagnosed with the virus in America this year so far, with scientists reminding us that although the disease is not sexually transmitted, it does spread through skin-to-skin contact and is spreading commonly among gay men.
An investigation is underway in Compton after sheriff's deputies responded to an apartment building after reports of a shooting.